So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver and you forgot to use a referral code when you signed up to get your bonus or guarantee of up to $1,000, go ahead and use the instructions in the description down below. Again, if you signed up for Uber and you accidentally forgot to use a referral code, that's okay. You can get your cash bonus or guarantee of up to $1,000. We're gonna leave the instructions in the description down below. It takes 30 seconds. Do it, get your money today. All right, now let's get on with the video. What's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I know you're not supposed to drive and vlog, so I hope no cops see me, but regardless, I'm not gonna be looking at the camera. I'm just basically leaning it on my car while I drive. I should be good to go. I am on the way to the tire shop right now, and I wanted to vlog this because I thought it might be an interesting experiment. My tire has been getting low almost every day. I go to the gas station, I fill it up with tire. By the way guys, my name's Dylan, this is the Rideshare Hub. Place for Uber drivers to learn how to be better drivers and make more money in your pocket. All that stuff, blah, 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 blah. Boring stuff. What are we talking about today? Yeah, so I'm an Uber driver, Lyft driver, and I have been, gosh, I'm trying to pull over so I can show you guys what I'm dealing with. I think there's a spot over here. So basically what's been going on is that, you know, as a driver, I've talked about this a lot, you basically have to pay for all of your car expenses. There's no way around that. Uber and Lyft will not give you any money to cover any of it. The most you can do is the most that I can do, I don't want to give you tax advice, but the most that I can do is use it as a tax write-off. Okay, and basically what's been going on is that my tire has been getting flat. This car is a used car. A lot of you guys ask me about how much my maintenance costs, blah, 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 driving a used car. This car right here is a $5,000 Ford Escape. I'll just get out and show you my problem. I'm gonna keep this short because I have to be in West Hollywood in about an hour, but this is my car here. And what's my problem? This is my problem, guys. As you can see, it's flat, right? Don't hit me, cars. It's flat. You can see that. This is a good, the other ones are pretty good. That one actually is kind of flat too. But basically I fill it up almost every day and it just keeps getting flat. So I'm gonna take it to the Big O tire place over here and see what they try to do. I thought this would be a good experiment, and I'm gonna see. I'm pretty sure it can be repaired. I'm pretty sure you can fix it, but I might try to just get a new tire depending on how much they offer. And I'm gonna negotiate. This is a good tactic because I'm only gonna ask for one, but in reality, I actually want all 4 new tires. But I'm gonna see what they do. They might throw me in a deal because all my tires are literally like 10 years old. They're really old. They're crackling. I can just show you really quick. This is a really bad sign, but there's crackling. Like, if you can see that, that's really bad. You shouldn't have that at all in your car. And I have it on almost every single one of my tires. On this one, actually no crackling on that one, so that one's good. Let's see these other ones. No crackling there. Actually might only need to get, oh, and this one too. Look at that, new crackling right there. All right, so I just got to the tire place. This is on my phone. I'm not gonna bring in my big camera because that'll just be weird. I don't wanna record them without their permission. I'm gonna basically show you guys and see what they offer me. Again, I really just need those 2 front new tires. The 2 back ones look pretty good to me. And I'm gonna just ask for the main one, and then if they offer me a deal for the second one, like buy one, get one free, I might take it. But I'm gonna negotiate with them. If they offer me 150 bucks for the tire, I'm gonna say, oh, you know what, I really have 100 bucks. You know, is that okay? And see what they say. And maybe they'll say, you know what, we'll do 200 for 2 tires. I'm gonna see, I'm gonna show you guys. And also, I think it can be repaired, but again, they're all pretty old, so let's see. I did want to get new tires eventually. I might just get all new 4 tires. We'll see. I'm gonna take this phone in here and show you guys along with my journey. And then also I'm going to talk to you guys after about how to, you know, basically save the most amount of money with your car. Okay, here we go. All right, everyone, so I just got, well, it is the next morning, but I got back yesterday and got my tires all fixed, and I actually had to Uber out to West Hollywood. I was going to meet somebody. So, yeah, but here, I'm gonna show you my car, and I'm gonna tell you exactly what they did and how much they charged me for the service to fix that flat tire, that leaky air tire. So, here we go. I'm just gonna show you, this was the tire. It's all done. I'm gonna tell you what happened, what they did to it. Here are the back ones. So yeah, I don't know, I just wanted to show you guys what they look like, but I was actually pretty surprised. They actually gave me 2 new tires. So when I went in, I said, hey, you know, my tire's leaking, and he goes, okay, which one is it? I'll go take a look. So he literally runs out, shout out to Big O Tires, he runs out Mario at Big O Tires in Sawtell, pretty much, Sawtell area, Westwood-ish area. He goes, oh yeah, we're gonna need to replace that tire for sure. And he goes, and also your other front tire is the similar age. We need to replace that one too. And he goes, your 2 back ones though are good, I'll keep those. So he didn't even try to upsell me on 2 back ones, which I thought was pretty cool. So I said, you know what, that sounds good. He goes, oh, I can replace one, but then you're gonna have another old one, and then it's just gonna be all off. So he offered to do 2 new tires, and then if I have 2 new front tires and 2 back tires that are pretty good, he said that's fine. So this is what he gave me. It's a Geoland. I want to show you guys to make sure I didn't get ripped off, because I don't know a ton about tires. I don't know, a lot of you guys do. These are the ones he gave. Well, oh yeah, Geoland Yokohama. They look sick. They're all clean. And these are my old ones. They went ahead and cleaned these too. My tires, guys, have never looked this clean. Like, they shine them up. These are my old ones that are still pretty good, but you guys saw the crackling on my other 2, so the ones that were crackling he replaced. And yeah, I mean, I'm super excited. Like, I'm just pumped that well, 1, I don't have to keep filling air up in my tire, but 2, I'm just pumped that now I have, you know, 2 brand new tires. And I almost was just like, you know what, can you just put on all 4 new tires, because they were just so nice. But I was like, you know what, I don't need 4 new tires, I'll just get the 2 front 2. And now pretty much, oh yeah, I did want to say, I asked him how old did he think those tires were, because one time I was filling up air in my tire and some guy looked at it and he goes, dude, those tires look like 10 years old, you need to fix those. Lo and behold, he said that the date on those tires were 2012. So when I bought this used, I didn't get new tire, or they didn't get new tires for like 5 years. So which I guess tires have like 3 or 4 years lifespan on them. But yeah, I was driving around with 8-year-old tires. So yeah, that's pretty nuts. And now I have 2020 tires, super awesome. And then these old ones, which I'll get replaced eventually. I mean, obviously the tread's good on them, so I'll just keep them for a while. That looks fine to me. And then he also said to get an alignment, come back in 3,000 to 5,000 miles to get them aligned, which I don't really know what that means. Let me know. I don't know if they charge for that, but he said because they are new tires, they need to align it. And then now I'm going to show you how much it costed me, and let's see what you guys think if I did get ripped off. Oh, it does show my address on there, so I can't show all of the receipt. Let me try to bend this back so you guys don't see all of it. I'll just show you guys the invoice part of it, the charge, yeah, because I definitely don't want to show you guys my address. Here we go. So this is everything that I got. You guys can take a look at this, screenshot it, and tell me if I got ripped off or not.
he mounted it in balance. That costed 20 bucks, about 40. Oh, because he had to do 2 of them, I guess. Valve stem, I don't even know what that is. Another $5.50. California state fee. Oh, I think that's to recycle the old ones. Oh, that's the tire disposable fee. I don't know what the state fee is. Alignment declined. That was a dollar. I guess they waived the price. Oh, it was $0. And then the final cost was $362. So the parts $285, and labor was only $40. Waste disposal $9.50. So for about $181.04 per tire. I know that's not cheap. I didn't want to buy a used tire. I could have shopped around. I could have called a bunch of places, but you know, I just wanted this done to be quick and good, and I know good things about Big O, so I don't know if I got ripped off or not. I don't think I did. I'm pretty happy with it. 181 bucks. Again, a lot of people ask me how much maintenance goes into having a used car. I only need 1 new tire, guys, but I went ahead and did 2. So it could have probably cost me 100 bucks if I found a used one somewhere, but I went ahead and just bought 2 new ones just so I have that peace of mind, because I value peace of mind over money. So anyways, thanks all for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little new type of vlog where I just show you guys, you know, life of an Uber driver. So yeah, there's my Ubers, play Octopus. There's where my passengers play games. Super clean. All right, have a good day, guys. Bye.